Hey YouTube, so I got a bit of a restoration project. This is kind of a funny one, not really, well, because I didn't get it. So this is a brush axe. I'm sure a lot of you have seen one of these. This belonged to my deceased Uncle Gene. So originally I was going to get a new handle for it, because this one's cracked. I don't even want to know what's underneath all this. And not only that, you look at the grain orientation on this handle. That could not be any worse. That's pretty horrible. Like this even came out of a factory. This handle, like it should have gone in the garbage. But I want to save this handle because my Uncle Gene burnt his name into it, and he always did that using a magnifying glass because he was out surveying up in northern Alberta and like nothing better to do. So I'm gonna save this handle. It's gonna be a little screwy trying to save it just because it's so. Like out of that duct tape, I imagine it's just cracked all the way. But I think I might have a solution for that. Wood glue and clamps. Like I don't think I might use this a bit, but it's never going to see hard use. See how much I can fumble around while I'm doing this. Just head off. See, a new handle would be a great idea, but like I said, I want to preserve this one. Okay. If I've ever taken a head off a brush axe. Yeah. Gonna look like an idiot trying to get this head off, I think. That's gonna give it a bit of a tap. Everybody can close their eyes while I'm trying to tap this guy off. That's a good one. Okay, so that is off. That's going to get a good sharpening too. I got to bring that round file from work. Okay, of course that's going to come in from the bottom. So time to try and get all this crap off. This is not going to come off nicely at all. Oh, that's gnarly. This duct tape is probably 30 years old. Like, wow. Yeah, this is gonna be quite the pain in the ass. Like, fuck me. This is gonna suck. We'll see what's under here because the electrical tape should come off easier, depending how long it was baking in the sun. Okay, yeah, there we go. The wood looks nice under here. Okay. Doesn't look like it's, yeah, it's cracked there too. Well, anyways, I'm gonna pause the video and work on some of this and bring you back in a bit. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so yeah, this is like a total fucking pain in the ass. Like, the electrical tape was one thing. I only spent about 10 minutes trying to get that stuff off, but this duct tape, like, what horrible stuff. Jesus. But yeah, I'm gonna pause you guys again. So here we go, like 20 minutes into the future since last time. So this is the new technique. I'm using this, what the hell kind of knife is, cold steel knife, and just fucking scraping it because that's the only way you get this shit off. Should have almost done this in the morning when it was below zero outside. Probably would have hardened up and come off easier. But as you can see, I took the tape off and yeah, I got that situation going. But I'm still going to save this handle. Wood glue, and after I wood glue it, I think I'm going to use some wooden dowels, drill a hole, put a dowel in. Hopefully that'll work. It should. Maybe. be good enough for now. This thing's gonna get some like slide too. Jesus. Duct tape goo just oozed in everywhere. Okay. Other half. This is horrible though. This is what a fucking mess. That's coming apart too. Like this is gonna be a project and a half, but that's okay. Get stuff up the inside. Okay, I'm going to clean up a bit here, and then I might prep the surface and get some glue in there. I'm going to glue that section on first and clamp it. I'll worry about this, because that's going to be an issue too. I might go worry about that after. That'll be a tomorrow project, but first I want to get that main piece glued in. So I'm going to pause you here again. Okay, so I'm back. So I prepped the surfaces the best I could. This wood glue's still good. Yeah. Wood glue looks good. The problem is I only use wood glue very little of it. But you know what? That isn't good. Pretend it's good though. I don't know if wood glue goes bad. I do actually have another thing of wood glue somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna pause you guys for a second to find my other wood glue. Okay, so got the wood glue. Gonna go hard with the wood glue. It's all gonna get sanded anyways, so I don't really care how much I actually use. It's gonna ooze out obviously, but that's okay. Put this guy in here. This clamp, but this is what I'm going to use down here because I know it's handy. Here. Get some more glue in there. You guys can tell I'm not a woodworker. That's why I work with metal. Get this done, so I have to go for pie because it's pie day. I got rhubarb strawberry pie upstairs, so that's what I'm doing after I'm done clamping this and say goodbye to you fine folks. So what I'll do there is this guy up here. This is all going to get sanded down all to hell anyways. See if that holds. Hopefully it does. A lot of sanding here. Now you guys have seen how not to do woodwork. anyways, I'm going to let this set up until tomorrow. Spear in some of this goopy stuff. Sand it off later. So we can clamp in the middle too, if I have anything to use. Vice. This will be my middle clamp as the vice. This can just sit. I don't know if it's unsticky for the vice, but that's okay. That's relatively minor. Okay, now it's going to sit for 24 hours. And so this video is probably going to be in like 2, 3, 4 parts. We'll see. This is kind of in this big project, and I'm really hoping I don't have to say fucking getting new handles, because that would be unfortunate. But anyways, see you guys later. Bye.